So hi viewers, welcome to Craft Your Future. Thank you for watching. So today finally I think so many people are asking to change the options like objects whatever I am using. Finally I brought chakra healing stones. So this is amethyst, this is black tourmaline, this is white agate. Okay, I think 12 I think I have. Only 3 I am using. Just 12 factor I can use that for options. You won't get bored now. And moreover, every stone holds different meaning. I don't think I am going to explain that meaning when you are choosing this. Just if at all you get attracted. As I said, amethyst, white agate, and this is black tourmaline. So if you want to know why you got attracted towards that, you can search in Google. Because if at all I get into that subject, it will be more lengthy. My readings are already lengthy, and moreover, I get rid of cold, but still I need to take a little bit more rest. Okay. And today I want to introduce my new deck, Vice Versa Tarots. Actually, I attracted to this deck very long time back, but I did not found this deck in the internet. Finally, recently I got this. So today's topic is who is obsessed with you and why they are obsessed. Okay, why they are obsessed towards you or why they are obsessed with you. Whether it is like just because they have love, even though see obsession is not a good thing. Whether it is in a good way they got obsessed, bad way they got obsessed. Obsession itself is obsession. We should not encourage obsession. So here we will find out why I want to take this topic is sometimes we will get thoughts about someone who we are not dealing with that person. Okay, we may be completely deleted them from our system. We are not even thinking about them. No more existed in our life. But still you are getting a lot of thoughts about them. Why suddenly I am getting thoughts? Yes, because the other person is thinking about you a lot. Not just thinking, maybe it is like excessive, which is like obsession, turned into obsession. So if at all you feel that, if at all you don't know anyone also, here you will, in this reading you are going to understand that is anyone is obsessed towards you. If at all you won't get that kind of thing, so no one is obsessed. But you know that in our tarot reading, definitely you are going to get some message, even though it is not related to our topic. Okay, whatever the title we may going to take, even though it may be not related to that title, sometimes we will grab different messages based on the pulling the cards, and that can be helpful for you. If at all you feel that no, Anita, yes, someone is very much obsessed towards me, I really don't understand why this person is obsessed towards me, then like you can get the answer here and how to get rid of it. I want to find out, because what is the meaning of okay they got obsessed? Yeah, I know that. Then what is the use? What is the use? You should know how to get rid of it. Okay, even though see you cannot go to that person and tell that please obsess, don't be obsessed with me, because their obsession is on their own level. We cannot help it, but we can change our circumstances, our surroundings, our energy, how we can protect. So here I will tell you what you should do, so that if at all you really getting distracted, getting see I not, it is the truth that if at all you love yourself, like your self-love is on, nothing can affect you. You should vibrate high, and only the self-love will allow you to vibrate high. Okay, you can do a lot of things, but more than that, in a regular basis or routine wise, if at all you love yourself, self-love already explained. It is not just that grooming, taking care of. No. Cutting everyone out of your life is not good for your energy. Who is low vibrational people, who is like gossips, rumors, chaos. We should not entertain all those things. When you won't entertain all those things, your vibration will be high. When you vibrate high, not just obsession, nothing can affect you. Okay? So you should always vibrate high. So anyway, if at all you are not doing so and so reasons, I'm busy, Anita, I'm not getting time for those things, these things, because of so and so reasons, I'm literally not getting time to love myself. Wantedly or unwantedly, I'm going back to the same kind of chaos situation, low vibrational people. What can I do, Anita? My workplace completely with low vibrational energies. I cannot resign my job immediately. So till that time, what can I do? You will get the suggestion here, okay? But anyway, listen to your intuition. See, don't ask silly questions, yeah. I think 2 days back someone asked me that someone is getting information, inquiring about me in my neighborhood. Is that person is my divine control? What the hell it is? What the hell? Use your brain. If at all you are not using your intuition, it's okay. At least use your brain when you are asking some questions to me. Okay, simply we are here. It is not that we are making any fun here. I just want to keep my readings where you should not feel. See, some tarot readers will be like very serious. They want to generate the messages in a serious way. They always take God's name or someone, whomever they believe. I don't do all those things because even though you are 20, most of the people won't get into spirituality when they are 20. But my aim, my intention is like, we should not go towards the spirituality when you become 40, 50, 60. When you are a kid, you should habituate that spirituality. You should get in touch with the spiritual side. That is my intention. Anyway, my readings are not below 18. So it is 20. At least when you are in 20s also, think about that aims, goals, ambition, run for that, fight for it, build, dream great things, achieve whatever you want to achieve. But at the same time, don't lose your connection with spirituality. That is my intention. Okay? So that is the reason why I keep my readings in a sometimes playful way. When you may get some energy which is I need to get serious, I will tell it in a more serious way. But I will keep that like a normal thing, which is not like, oh, I'm speaking about the religious thing, speaking about the spiritual thing. No, you just, it is like life coaching kind of way. I will keep that too, not like a serious, like you should take your life seriously, you should be very serious about your life. No need to do that, okay? We all are here to be happy. Our first main goal should be being happy till the time we are alive on this planet. When you are not happy, what is the use of doing whatever you want to do, whatever you are keeping the goals, ambitions and all? When you are not happy, what is the use of doing all those things? You are earning a number of money, a number of materialistic things, but you are not happy. What is the use? We came here as a human beings. I always say we are the most blessed, strongest, yes, more stronger than that demonic devil, divine devil, because they need medium. We don't need any medium. Okay, so we should understand our own power as a human being, and we should appreciate that blessing. Instead of thinking that I need to earn this, I need to earn this, I need to run behind this, I need to, if at all you are not happy, what is the use of doing all those things? Right? So first priority we should give to happiness. Whether you are happy, no matter what you are doing, ask yourself, are you happy with that? So don't ask silly questions which is like, I literally, how can someone ask that? Even school student also won't ask. Someone is inquiring about you and you are telling that if that person is my divine counterpart, how can I know that whether that person is your divine counterpart or not? I always say that listen to your intuition, okay? Even though you are watching my tarot or some other tarot readers, you are going to the psychics, listen to your intuition. That is important, no matter how many people you are listening. In the end, sit with yourself, ask your intuition. Ask yourself. Talk to yourself. That self-talk is very important. Okay? So anyway, 3 options. Who is obsessed with you and why they are obsessed and how to get rid of that obsession if at all you are getting any kind of problem with that. 1 is enough. Don't go for multiple files. Only 1 is enough, because who is obsessed with you? If at all you are like, no Anita, I drawn towards multiple, then take time between the files. Don't go immediately don't watch. Okay. I think let's get into the reading. So file number 1, who chose amethyst. I think it will take a little bit time because on this deck there is no written which card is I can see, but it is like a vice versa, back side and front and back both. So it may take a little bit time to at least to me to understand what is that card. So who is obsessed with you? File number 1, who chose amethyst. Who is obsessed with you? See, someone in your life who you feel that either this person is in the 2 of swords energy, they literally don't know that which way to go or which one to choose. Actually, they are not confused. They are showing you that this is the beauty of this card. The moment I saw in the pin interest, I like this card. This is the card. This person is not confused. But they are showing you that, see, I'm confused. I really don't know whom to choose. I really don't know which path to go. That person is obsessed towards you, but they are not obsessed because you may be thinking that, no, Anita, this person really don't know. They are confused because of that confusion. They are not making the decision. No, actually, they know what they want. They know, they have clarity. The only thing is they are showing you, they're pretending like, I'm confused. So I need time. They are not confused. Who is obsessed towards my file number 1? See, this person wants both the people. Because they see you both are like an emperor and empress. Maybe you both are like divine power couple, or at least they feel that you both are like a 3-4. You both are like emperor empress. They are seeing you both like an emperor and empress, power couple. So I want both. But they are showing that no, I'm really not deciding whether I want empress or emperor. No, they know that. They know they want both, but they are pretending in front of you that I don't know. I don't know whom to choose. So I'm just confused. This person is obsessed. Because they like your energy, I can say, because the Empress energy, which is like a divine feminine, that can be the case. If at all they are not divine feminine, Empress is like some high vibrational person. And Emperor also like a high vibrational person. So they want both couple here. I don't know who you are watching, file number 1. Who is obsessed towards you? If at all you are married, you already have spouse, and this person is a third party in between you both couple, this person wants both the couple, not one person. If at all you feel that no, Anita, this person is obsessed towards me, no, they are obsessed towards couple. Maybe it is like a third party situation. No, I'm not saying third party. It is like 3 couples. 2 couples, maybe you entertain one third party in between the couple. It is not hidden thing. Again, I'm telling you, it is not a sneaky link. It is not third party situation. No, I'm not getting that kind of thing. It is like a monogamy, something which is like wife and husband both accept that, okay, we will bring some third person in our life. So that there can be different reasons why you bring third person, but you both know that. Here it is not that your partner brought third party without your consent. No. And you did not brought third party without your partner. No. You both know. You both together. Actually, why this person want you is, this person maybe have their own husband, King of Wands. But as of now, that person turned their back. This is King of Wands. They turn their back towards this person. They don't want them. That is the reason. Maybe this person is Queen of Wands. That can be the case. Okay. But as of now, they are acting like I don't know whom to choose. The reason why they are acting like that is they don't want to leave you both people. Because they want this 2 couple. and moreover their husband or someone in their life who is like a king of wands, who can be their match, that person turn their back. They don't want this person. That is also one reason now they are like, no, I don't want to go anywhere. I just want two people. I am happy with. I'm again and again I'm getting that message. I don't know why. Maybe if at all you two people entertain someone in your life who is like a third party, who is like not exactly third party. Again, I don't want to take a monogamy kind of relationship where wife and husband both will be okay to bring someone for the different reasons. That person this is. Success goals. See, if at all, as I said, it is not exactly third party, because third party means again one partner knows, other partner don't know, but it is not that. Both knows. High priestess, magician, I got co-creators, and here two people turn their back towards this person. Okay, one is king of cups. That person also don't want to deal with this person. One is king of wands. They don't want to deal with this person. So here there is other case I am telling, other scenario. This person may be think that either you may be the empress, whomever watching. They may be already told you that you are like an empress, I am like an emperor, I am the empress, you are like an emperor. So we both can build something together. Because here we got again cards like high priestess and magician. So here you know that, take the messages again. Either you may be the high priestess or this person may be the high priestess, because high priestess means again secret connection or secret person, mistress kind of person. Okay. One is magician. Either you may be the magician or your partner may be the magician. This person want to co-create with you people. But again, I am getting strong messages. You both are co-creators. And this person don't want you people to leave them. That is the reason they want. But here two people turn their back, strong masculines. One is king of wands. They turn their back. I don't want it. King of cups, they also don't want. So now you know, whomever watching, this person already maybe told you that you are the empress, or they maybe treated you like an empress because they felt themselves like I'm the emperor. No matter whether it is a man or woman, that's a different story. Because some women also, they will operate from the masculine energy. Okay, that's why. So now this person is like, you are empress, I am the emperor. Again I am telling you, it is not third party. Your husband also knows. If at all you already been married, your husband also knows that you carry the relationship with this person. You both people carry, not one person. You both people carried the connection. Now the two masculines may be turned back. Either you, I'm not saying you turn, whomever watching, you are still there for them. Other masculines maybe they don't want this person. So now this person maybe want to create something with you. That can be the case if at all this person is like an high priestess. They want to create something with you. Maybe they are thinking that you are the magician. That's where they want to create something. Or they themselves is a magician. They think that you are like an high priestess. So they can create something. You both can create. This person is not confused. Again, I am telling you, if at all they acting like I am confused, really I don't know whom to choose. No, they are not confused. They have clarity what they want. They are simply acting. So what you should do? Because this person have some different plans that I understood. This person have some bigger plans. Maybe they already made some schedule kind of thing that this time we should do this. They maybe already have some goals, ambition. They maybe already decided some goals, ambitions. You are not ready for the new beginning with this person. You may be lost love, or you are not interested in love, at the same time you are not interested in living in also. Two of wands in the reverse. You are not interested. In the past maybe you carried four of wands with this person, like living in kind of situation. Now you are not interested, at least. Don't live with this person. If at all you are still in the Anita, this person is obsessed towards me. Suggestion is don't, what you should do, don't go for the living in with this person. Because this person is not interested in love. I think you are also not, because no one holding cup except the king of cups. If at all you are also like, no Anita, I am also not interested in love, so I can go for the wands. No, I don't think so. You should go for the wands, because this person have different plans. They are not into you because who you are. It is like, see, even though it is like sometimes we will fall in love with someone. Here it is not about the love, here it is not about the passion, here it is about your spiritual gifts, I can say, because the magician and high priestess. So they want something more, they are expecting something more from you. It is not about the 3D things, it is about the 5D things. Maybe you people are divine couple. If at all you are not divine couple also, maybe you are on the divine path kind of people, or you maybe follow the divine. You believe in divine, you believe in God and all, prayers God and all. Maybe this person not into that. That's where they don't want to leave you people. They are not interested in love. Four of Cups. You know that here nothing is hidden. Here nothing is hidden. No one is cheating. Nothing is hidden. The only thing what you don't know is, if at all this person is obsessed towards you, maybe you are thinking that maybe this is just because of that sexual connection. No. They have some different plans. High priestess and musician. They want to create with your energy. That will be the case. They want to use you people to create whatever they want. I hope you understand. They want to use you people to create. So they maybe told you that they both can build something, building a business kind of thing or something materialistically. Actually, this person don't hold any power to build something. So they maybe want to use you couple to build something. What do you need to do? I'm understanding the card. I thought maybe I'm going to get confused because the names are not there. You speak the truth, Knight of Swords. You need to speak the truth. Tell them what you are feeling about this person. If at all you really don't want, tell them that you need to speak the truth. Okay? No, if at all you are not interested, tell them directly that, see, in the past we had it, now I don't want to deal with you. It is ended. Because we are not seeing any serious kind of some kind of relationship. Maybe this is, that's what I said, it's a monogamy kind of thing where two couple want some other partner because of so and so reasons. You need to speak the truth. If at all you speak the truth, this person won't act like this. Because they are like confused, but if at all you speak the truth, they won't be confused. Because at least from your end you are clearing the air. Right? So they won't tell that I don't know what to do. They are acting like that. You have some new beginning. Sun. You have some new beginning. Like a Queen of Wands. Maybe this King of Wands is yours. That can be the case. Maybe this person is telling you that, see, you are an empress, I am the emperor. But maybe this King of Wands is your person. Because you have some new beginning with whomever that person. You are going to become a Queen of Wands. You are going to get one child with the King of Wands. Because these are the couple. As of now, they turn their back towards them. That is also one reason maybe this person don't want to leave you, because they know that if at all they leave you, you are going to end up with King of Wands, because they know that you are the Queen of Wands to the King of Wands. So they don't want to leave that. They don't want to tell you that they are keeping you, they are not confusing you. Again, I'm telling you, this person more than obsession, more than anything, this person simply want to keep this thing stuck by pretending that I don't know which way to go. I don't know whom to choose. So let me think about it. Let me make the decision. Actually, they're never going to make the decision because they know what they want. Why they are not telling you? If at all they tell you that, yes, I decided something. If at all they go towards someone, you will go towards King of Wands. You both will come together. You both will have one child together. They don't want it to happen. That is the reason they are keeping you stuck. So that you won't get any new beginning with this King of Wands. who is already not dealing with this person. You have your new beginning if at all you speak the truth, because if at all you won't speak the truth, this person will act same. Yes, see, I'm confused. If at all you speak the truth, your gates will be like, your road will be, the blockage will be gone. Tell the truth that, see, I'm not interested. That's it. In the past we had, no, I'm not interested. So that at least your new beginning will be open to you. You will become Queen of Wands. You will have this new beginning. Sun new beginning. I think this person is hiding. Moon card. Hanged Man. Secrets. See, whatever this person is doing, they are not doing by their own. Someone is telling them what to do. So they are doing it. I can understand this is a little bit different messages. Moon. It is not that they are doing it. They are just appointed by someone. That someone is this Hanged Man who don't want to change. This person have different plans, so they told that you stay with these people and keep them stuck, so that they should not go for the new beginnings. They just told them to keep you stuck. I don't know why they want to keep you stuck, because this Hanged Man worried about someone in their life who is like a Queen of Cups. They are not accepting something with this Queen of Cups. Either stuck, one way it is again stuck. This card also stuck. They don't want to get worry about their future, about this Queen of Cups. This Queen of Cups originally belongs to King of Cups. So this is someone who appointed them to keep you people stuck. So this person came in your life, you know it or not, how you entertain this person in your life, that's a different story. But as of now, based on this card, this person appointed by someone to come into your life and keep things stuck, so that you both should not move anywhere. You both should not get any new beginnings. Maybe see here, if at all you tell the truth, you are going to get new beginning with this King of Wands, right? Queen of Wands, King of Wands. Once it is over, this King of Cups will get new beginning with this Queen of Cups. These two people are again like a divine couple. These two people are like a King of Wands, Queen of Wands, which is like again power couple. So they don't want, but it is not about this person. Again, I am telling, it is not that this person is completely doing by their wish. No, this person is stuck because someone told them to keep you people stuck. This is a secret. They are not sharing with you. It is not they did it. No. This Hanged Man told them to do it. You should go there, keep these two people stuck. That's it. The reason this person, Hanged Man, don't want to stuck in their own head, or this person maybe have something, they're not allowing to move forward about this Queen of Cups. So here stuckness is there. The main reason for the stuckness is this Hanged Man. They are worried about their future. They don't want to worry. This is worry. As of now, they don't want to worry about the future. They don't want to get into that 9 of Swords, 10 of Swords. So, if at all I don't want to get into that complete ending, it is very important for me to use this person to keep these people stuck. That is what they are doing. It is not their own, by their own they are not doing. So, one way this person also stuck. Until unless this Hanged Man won't tell them to come back, they won't go. I hope you are understanding. That is the reason they are pretending. Maybe they told that, see, just pretend that you are not understanding what you want. So that's where they are pretending that I'm not understanding what you want. One thing is sure, this person is not into love. I'm not seeing any love here except this King of Cups, Queen of Cups. No one is into love. Maybe you are an Empress, which is like you both are like a couple, Emperor and Empress. You may be like a Queen of Wands. You have some new beginning with King of Wands. This King of Cups have new beginning with Queen of Cups. But I don't know why this person here, you like co-creators. Let me put one suggestion. Every hurricane comes to an end. It is already over. I think you are the one who is still thinking. Whomever watching, if at all you are still thinking about it, it is already over. Leave this situation, walk away towards your new beginnings. Whomever watching, okay? Because here multiple people came out, I cannot say this is your. I connect with dolphin wisdom. Listen to your intuition and walk away from the situation. Again, whomever watching, listen to your intuition, walk away from the situation. Because this person just to pretend that I am in confusion, whomever you are feeling that this person is obsessed towards me and is not leaving. No. More than obsession, because I did not got any devil card here. More than obsession, someone told them to keep you stuck. That's it. They are doing that. They are working for someone. They are not doing that because of they want something. They just, someone told them, they are doing it. So it is ended. Every hurricane comes to an end. Now just listen to your intuition and follow the guidance of your intuition. Okay? Thank you for watching. So pile number 2, whomever choose the white is it. So here, whomever choose white is it. So who is obsessed towards you and why they are obsessed? So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you not subscribed. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click the join button. I am using new deck. Who is obsessed towards pile number 2? Who is obsessed towards pile number 2? So many cards are coming. Who is obsessed towards pile number 2? Someone who is into of sorts. I think pile number 1 also we got, but that person is not confused. This person is really confused. So someone who is really in the confusion, really they don't know which way to go. They are not seeing exactly obsession. They may be not deciding, they are not decided it where to go, which way to go. The reason why they are not decided is they are not loving themselves, or at least they are not listening to their intuition. And they have already idea, which is like, see, I want both. Can I have both? But they are confused whether you people are going to accept or not. This person really in the confusion. They have 2 options. Whomever watching you and someone else. You already maybe know that. If at all you don't know, they have 2 options. But really they are unable to understand whom to choose. Maybe this person is like a person, I don't want to hurt anyone kind of person. Okay? At least they are like, I don't want to hurt. If at all I choose this person, other person is going to get hurt. If at all I choose them, they are going to hurt. So their energy is like, can I have both? The reason why they are like, can I have both? There is no love involved here. Even though it is like a 3 of cups, they are coming up with cup. It is not like a deep emotional bonding kind of love. It may be like a friendship kind of love, or at least family kind of love. So that is also one reason. Here it is not like a 2 of cups, deep emotional bonding, partnership kind of love. That's where they are like, it is okay to have 2. So this card is like, can I have both? This person ready to offer their cup to both the people. See? Now it is depends. Maybe they are hesitating to tell you that. They don't hold any love, that's for sure. This person, if at all you think that no, Anita, this person hold emotions, that is the reason they are not understanding whom to choose. No, they are not holding any emotions, including for themselves. That is the truth. No emotions here. This is just, as I said, just a friends, parties, fun, loving kind of situation. Or at least they are seeing that other two people I can have parties, fun, entertainment, enjoyment, Anita. So why can't I have both the people? Because anyway, it is not a love. It is not related to emotion. So can I have both? Maybe they are going to tell you very soon that they want both. They don't want to drop anyone here. Because if at all it is love, definitely they will be like, okay, if at all I drop someone, other person is going to get hurt. But it is not love. And they are interested in both the people. If at all any kind of just friends, little bit more than friends kind of also, it is not like an emotional thing, so they want both. Who is obsessed towards it? See, here you people may be thinking that one person is like, this person is my wish fulfillment, other person is like, this is my family, and that and of course family. I don't know how to generate, how to put these messages, but actually this person don't have any feelings for it. But two people have feelings. One person thinks that this person is my wish. Other person thinks that this is my and of course family. But they don't think anything about two people. They only think that you both are like good for having fun, so I want to have both. I can understand. You two people think, I don't know whom you are now, if at all you are the one who is thinking this person is my 10 of cups, or you are thinking this is my 9 of cups, like a wish fulfillment. It is all, if at all they said that, no, I'm not saying this person said anything, because this person have clarity, which is like, see, I have fun with both the people, so I want to have both. If at all I get more people for fun, I'm ready for it. They don't have any emotions, that's for sure. But you people maybe have that, which is like, you maybe say that you are like my wish fulfillment, 9 of cups, when I found you, I found that, I felt that waiting for such kind of person, finally I found you. Other person maybe think that this person is my family member, and it is like a 10 of course family for me. It is not obsession, it is just a fun thing. At least for that person, it is just fun. It is okay, we are having fun together. What's wrong in that? That kind of person. If at all you are thinking that this person is single abundant, then no. They may be pretending, or they may be showing that I'm single abundant. I have a lot of money, so I just want fun. I just want people for the fun. No. They are not abundant. That's for sure. This is abundant card. Fake abundant. They are faking their abundance. Or they are simply projecting that I have everything, I don't have any problem for the money, I have all the privileges. So I'm okay with entertain people, I'm okay with the people for the entertainment. No, they don't have any abundance, they don't have any privileges. This person just wants fun, that's it. What you should do? Because I don't want to ask more, what you should do? I think first file is going to match with you. Watch the first file, because you both are co-creators, and you both may be ended the cycle with this person. Magician, High Priestess. You both may be ended the cycle. So here someone want to use one magician, one High Priestess for their own reasons. You both maybe don't know your power, that one is High Priestess, one is Magician. If at all you both work together, you both are create whatever you want. But I think this, anyway, you both maybe went towards that person and said that one is like, you are my wish fulfillment, other person maybe told that you are like my 10 of course family. So now they are like, okay, this person is a High Priestess, this person is a Magician. Let me take two people. and they will create, I will enjoy. That kind of thing I'm seeing. You maybe already ended the cycle with this person. Cycle ending, we got world card. It is upright. What you should do? I told you, no, this person don't want to break anyone's heart. They don't want to end up themselves in the three of swords. They don't want anyone to get end up in the three of swords. See here, I'm not saying exactly this person is like so and so. More than that, if at all I tell that that is like a, here I'm not saying that this person is selfish. They are only thinking about themselves. No, it is like if at all they are getting benefit, why I should leave? See, Anita, two people are there. Two people think that they are telling me that I'm the wish fulfillment, I'm the 10 of cups, I want both. If at all I said someone that no, I don't want you, and I select one person, it will end up in the three swords. I don't want it. I said no, in the initial, this person don't want to hurt anyone. But at the same time, it is not that when I say that this person don't want to hurt anyone, it doesn't mean that this person is a very kind person, generous person, so they don't want to hurt anyone. No. They think selfishly. What benefit they are getting? That's what. And they know that you both are like co-creators. One is high priestess, one is magician. So now they are like, I don't want to miss these people. This person may be materialistic. They are not showing it, but they are materialistic. Or at least have more, this person may be more concerned about the money. Or not seeing codependency, more than that money, maybe this person first priority is money. That can be the case. They are not showing it. Of course. What you should do? If at all they have someone in their life who is like a queen of cups, they don't want to give up on that person. They want you being with that person. They want 8 of Wands, you being with that person. Queen of cups, someone in their life. But they are not king of cups. This is little bit tricky personality, but they are not showing that they are tricky personality. They are pretending that no, see, I don't want to hurt anyone. But one thing is sure, maybe they already told you that they are not interested in love. They maybe already told you, you also know that this person is not interested in love. There is no love involved here, there is no emotions involved here, but they may be interested in someone, but they are not showing that they still want that Queen of Cups in their life. They did not give up, they want 8 of Wands being with that person. But they are showing that I really don't know, you two people are there, I don't know whom to choose now in these two people. Actually, they want both the people, because anyway they don't have love. Again I am telling, there is no love here. The only thing is you people are going towards them by telling that you are my wish fulfillment, you are my 10 of cups family, and they know that you both are like a co-creators. So let me have both. They will work together. They will build for me. I'm going to enjoy it. Anyway, I have someone in my life who is like a queen of cups. I'm going to get that person, or I'm try hard to get that person. Now you know whom you are dealing with. You ended the cycle. Cycle ending is there here. It is already ended the cycle. Let me pull 1, 2 cards. Maybe we are going to get more. If at all they have any person in their life who is like a Queen of Wands, they are walking away from that person. But they are not telling that they are walking away from that person because they don't want to have any kind of fights, are they ready to have four of wands with that person? This person is, see, whomever you are dealing with, whomever as of now you are seeing that this person is in the confusion and that they have two options, they are worried about whether they should choose me or not. No, this person is not going to leave any kind of opportunity. This person is not an opportunist in a good way. Opportunities in a good way. This is like, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. Why should I leave something? If at all around me, whatever is there, I want to grab everything. That kind of person. If this person had any kind of sneaky link with someone who is like a Queen of Wands, they are not going to leave that sneaky link. They still want that sneaky link. But Four of Wands, which is like, they don't want to compete with anyone, they don't want to tell anything to anyone, to their world. They want to show that I already walked away from that person. I'm not dealing with this Queen of Wands. I already walked away. But actually, behind the scenes, they want to have Four of Wands situation with this Queen of Wands. Now you know who is the Queen of Wands, whether it is you or whether it is someone. For you, whomever you are the one, maybe family kind of person who you think that this person is my family, for you. Because they want both. If at all they want both, yes, they want both. That is the truth. I invoke it to carry angels singing around the world and bring hope and peace. See, if at all you are the person, because again I am getting, for you is like a family members who we think that is my family. Here they don't want to hurt you. See, this person is kind of person, again I am telling, if at all you want to stay in their life, they will keep you. If at all someone want to stay in their life, they will keep them. If at all other person want to come and stay with them, they will keep. But they are going to show you, I don't want to hurt anyone. But more than that, when they are keeping people in their life, it is not that this person is very generous, kind, if they want to help everyone. That is the reason why they don't want to hurt anyone. That's why they are keeping everyone. No, that is the wrong thing. Why they keep everyone in their life is they see the benefit with each and every person. As simple as you both people, now they are confused in both people. They know that these two people are like a high priestess magician, so they don't want to miss both of them. Because you both are like a high priestess magician. Actually, you both can go, you both can create something for yourself. You don't need to have this person in your life. But still you want them because you may be thinking that this is my like family member. How can I leave? This is like a 10 of us family. So that is also one reason for them also, okay, this person is thinking me like my family member, so let them be. Because anyway, I am not going to get anything, I am not going to lose anything. You are not expecting anything from them. They are not going to give anything to you. Moreover, you people are going to create further. One benefit. Whoever that Queen of Cups, maybe they are very caring, generous, kind person, so they don't want to leave that person also. And whomever this Queen of Wands, with them they maybe have that passionate, fiery connection. They don't want to lose that Queen of Wands. They want to have that Four of Wands with that Queen of Wands, which is like living in situation where they can fulfill their sexual desires. So this is that kind of person where they want everyone. But as I said, they may be pretend that I want everyone because I don't want to hurt anyone. No. More than that, they don't want to miss benefit from each and every person, whatever they are getting. So this is the one, whomever watching. Now you decide, forgive is there anyway. If at all you want to forgive, because I think you are the one who think that this person is your family member, 10 of Cups family. If at all you want to forgive, you can forgive. But same thing will be there. Don't expect any change that maybe this person is changed, Anita, they just want me. No, please don't expect. If at all someone new comes in their life, they will keep them also. They see the benefit from each and every person. So when they are all are benefited, why should I leave? Let them come, stay with me. They are going to build, I am going to enjoy. That kind of person you are dealing with. Okay? Thank you for watching. So file number 3, who choose black tourmaline? Who is obsessed towards you and why they obsess, what they want. Someone you already walked away or you are trying to walk away. 8 of Cups. You are trying to walk away. for your new beginnings. You maybe started to listen to your intuition, you maybe want some new beginnings, so finally you are like, okay, I just want to go. Who is obsessed towards you? See, actually this person is feeling like, no, it is not their mistake. This person feeling like they are stuck with you. They are not stuck. But they are also don't know that they are not stuck. The reason is you want to walk away from that person. But you are also not telling them that I want to walk away. Because anyway, I'm listening to my intuition. I'm just following my intuition. You are not telling them. Yes, that is the reason they are feeling stuck. Because you are there. They are also there. So you two people are there. Now internally you decided that I just want to listen to my intuition and I want to follow my guidance of my intuition and I want to go wherever my intuition leading towards me. You internally thinking, you thought, you decided, okay, but you did not told them that you want to listen to your intuition and you want to walk away. That is the reason whomever that person not obsessed, actually they are stuck. They themselves feeling stuck. They are not stuck. This is a stuck card. This is their free. But they're still feeling stuck. The reason because of you. Because you are like not telling the truth to them that you are listening to your intuition and you are walking away. You are no more interested in them. If at all you are like a knight of wands to them in the past, passionately, fiery, passionate person to them. In the past, you both maybe had some kind of passionate, fiery connection, which is like a wand connection. Now you are no more interested. But the thing is, you are not telling them. So they are like, still this person is passionate towards me. How can I leave this situation, Anita? This person is passionate towards me. So I'm feeling stuck. Even though I don't want to stay here, they also lost the passion. That is the thing I'm telling. Whatever started in the past, you both maybe came into the union together, came together to have that passion, Knight of Wands, which is like you have passion, I have passion, maybe it is like a passionate connection, okay? Just for the sake of that passion, fire, romance, sex. Now you both lost. You are no more passionate towards them, they are also no more passionate towards you. You both are free. But in your brain you decided that I want to walk away. Now I'm not into that passion, fiery things. Now I'm looking for the love, or at least I just want to listen to my intuition, and wherever my intuition is going to take me, I want to follow it. You decided, but you are not telling to that person. That's where they are thinking that I'm not passionate towards that person, Anita, but they are passionate. We came into the union like a passionate connection. How can I leave this person now? That's where you both are free. You decided that you want to listen to your intuition, you want to walk away, but they are feeling that you are still with them. So they cannot leave you. So at least here they themselves feeling stuck. Actually they are not stuck because you already listening to your intuition, following the guidance of your intuition. You are walking away. It is sitting, thinking, but it is already doing. You are already doing. You are walking away to your new beginnings. But you are not telling this person. I'm not seeing that you are substitute towards this person. Maybe you are thinking that, Anita, whatever good for me, I'm doing that. Whatever good for them, they should do. That can be the case. This person also free. They can also walk away. You are not going to stop. But somewhere they are thinking that if at all I walk away, how can I walk away from this person, Anita? We both came into the union like a Knight of Wands. Now it is like, I'm not seeing like exactly cheating, but they are feeling that you are still with them. But you should tell them. At least you should give that sign that you are not with them. So that they can understand, okay, anyway, this person is not there. Anyway, I don't want, I can walk away. So that kind of situation I'm seeing. Because both are not, you both turned back to your passion, whatever passion you had. This person still thinks that you are with them, so they cannot walk away. They cannot go. They are not free. More than walk away, more than free, they themselves feeling stuck by thinking that you are there with them. It is a little bit tricky situation. No obsession here. Zero obsession, because Knight of Wands, no more Knight of Wands. This is Knight of Wands coming with the fire. This is no more fire. Over. The fire is gone. Use obsessive rules. Maybe it is a marriage, because it is a marriage card. That is the reason why this person feeling that they are stuck in this marriage. Okay. See, here there is no obsession, there is no passion, there is no fire, nothing. Maybe when you got married, it is a traditional marriage. Maybe you both got married traditionally. Okay. With maybe it is like arranged marriage kind of thing. Your parents maybe accepted. You both married traditionally, so entire society knows that, your families know that you both are married, you both are couple. Okay. But they are feeling that I'm stuck in this marriage, Anita, even though I don't have any kind of interest in this marriage. In the past, when you got married, you both are maybe very passionate, fiery, you enjoyed that passion, fiery sex life, whatever it is. Now you may be like, I don't want all this, Anita, I just want to listen to my intuition, because there I'm not seeing love. So just a passionate connection. You started to listen to your intuition. This person feeling that this is a traditional marriage, Anita, and moreover this person is still with me, my husband is still with me, how can I leave this person? You are like, I'm already listening to my intuition, Anita, I'm already walking away, but you did not told them. That is the reason, even though they can also fly, but they are not. They are still feeling stuck. This is their illusion. Why the illusion is still there is, you are not speaking the truth. Or at least you are not telling them that you already started to listen to your intuition and you are walking away from them. So somewhere they are thinking that this marriage may be already gone, but they are still thinking that it is a traditional marriage, so I cannot leave this marriage. Here two partners not communicating with each other. There is communication gap. You both can sit and tell that, see, actually, I'm not interested anymore in this relationship, so I think we should get apart. They are also going to tell us, let's get apart. But I don't know why you are not telling to them. And they are also feeling like stuck, because you are there with them. So how can I leave this person? It is illusion for them, not for you, because you started listening to your intuition. They are also free, because you are no more. They don't know that you are no more. It is a little bit of tricky situation. That's why I'm telling you. What you should do. Ten of Cups also not there. There is no happiness. There is no love. Nothing is there in this connection. It is like a stale, stagnant. Nothing, empty. Emptiness is there in this marriage. They also know, you also know. That is the reason you decided that nothing is existed, Anita, in this marriage, even though it is a traditional thing. That's why I'm walking away. But you should tell them. Maybe someone thinking that someone is putting the efforts, but no one is putting the efforts. That's the truth. Seven of Pentacles. Who is putting the efforts? See, both are cheating each other. Not exactly cheating means you are going towards some palm. No, it is just a miscommunication gap. More than anything, it is like a communication gap. If at all you both sit together and tell that, it's a simple thing. If you both sit together and tell that, see, we got married, we had a lot of good things, we shared a lot of good things, but I think now we are no more into that phase. Nothing is existed in our life now, because there is no passion. Maybe in this marriage, that's why I said it, maybe like arranged marriage. So when we get arranged marriage, definitely our parents will look for that arranged marriages in 20s. Like in the 20s, no matter, you don't care about the love, relationship, bondings and all. I got wife, I got husband, that's it, okay? That passion will be there. But after certain time, passion will be lost. That's why marriage should happen with love. So no matter because we want to be passionate when we get 60, 70 years, but still people together, the couples are together. The reason that love, that feeling, that emotional bondings will keep them together. It is not all about the passion. So here maybe it is arranged marriage, you both got married, that time passion is there, so everything is like excited, you both enjoyed a lot. Now things are not same because there is no happiness also, 10 of cups also, there is no love, all are empty cups. This is full of loves, okay, rainbows, love, couple are together. Darkness, empty cups, no love, nothing, complete, it is emptiness. You both know that, but someone thinking that I'm putting the efforts, someone thinking that no, I'm strong enough. Either this feminine energy, whomever in this feminine energy, I'm telling, that can be men also. Someone in this marriage, feminine energy is sitting strong. No matter what happens, I'm okay for that. Okay for the end result. Other person is like, I will try for it. But no one is doing that. Actually, here I'm not seeing no one is putting the efforts. They are simply feeling stuck. One person is simply feeling stuck. One person finally, no, I just don't want to do all those things. Nothing is there here. So let me listen to my intuition and walk away from this situation. There is no love, there is no passion, nothing. Maybe because of societal norms, one person may be not telling. I'm not even seeing that 8 of Swords. If at all this is 8 of Swords. If at all it is that, so one person really don't want to come out of that marriage because of societal norms, which is like, oh, you want divorce, but it is, they are free. They don't have any kind of feelings, such things that if at all I get divorce, people are going to tell like that. What you should do? There is no new beginning here. Someone is looking for new beginning, Page of Pentacles. But they are not seeing that in this situation they are going to get new beginning. Maybe they are trying, or at least they are expecting they are going to get new beginning. No new beginning. What you should do? You lost everything in this connection, but still two people are. Nothing is this. 10 of Pentacles also no, they lost 9 of Pentacles, they lost 10 of Pentacles. There is all faking now. Not exactly faking, which is like two people are not together, but still they are maybe living in the same home. By thinking that other person is trying hard to save the connection, other person is saying, I'm strong enough, I will listen to my intuition and walk away. Because this strength card is like listening to their intuition. So, one is listening to their intuition, they are going towards their intuition wherever guiding. Other person also, they are like sitting at the 7 of Pentacles. It is not that they are trying hard. No, they themselves feeling stuck. I don't know Anita what to do. This person is with me. If at all they leave me, I will also leave. At least I feel free to go wherever I want to go. At least I will get the opportunity to get some new partner in my life. They are not leaving. See, that is the reason I am feeling stuck. Actually, this is not stuckness. They are free. Why they are free? You are walking away. But why they are feeling still they are stuck? Because you are not telling them that you are walking away. I think you are understanding. This is Page of Pentacles. No new beginning. This is new beginning. Finally getting a new beginning. No new beginning. They know that. Two people know that in this marriage there is no new beginning. In this marriage, there is no abundance, there is no privileges, nothing is existed now. In this marriage, there is no 10 of pentacles. Lot of abundance, lot of privileges, 10 of pentacles. Nothing, gone. Everything is gone. 10 of cups also. This is a beautiful, loving, caring family. Nothing. So lost, everything is lost except this is a traditional marriage. Someone is very strong in this connection, which is like, I just listen to my intuition and I'll follow the guidance of my intuition, because maybe it is just because traditional thing, so I cannot break this. That can be the case. No obsession, nothing is there. Nothing, no pentacle, no obsession, no truth, nothing is there. Two people are just binded with one traditional thing. That's it. One person is like, okay, let's see where it will go. Who is this Four of Wands? Someone want to go towards some people. One is Four of Pentacles, who is materialistic, but they are not showing. One want Queen of Cups. Maybe you both people want different partners now, but you both are not telling her. You both lost passion. You both now looking for that new passion, new beginnings with different people. These two different people. But you are not telling. Whomever is listening to their intuition, they are going to reach the Queen of Cups. Whomever feeling stuck as of now, they may be going to end up with this person. Whoever the Four of Pentacles. This is just a communication gap. If at all you both sit, talk, you can clear this. Nothing is there here. Nothing is there. You both know that. No, nothing existed in this thing. Just because it is a traditional thing, so we are carrying on with it. That's it. No one is expecting anything from other person. It is not that other partner is keeping them stuck. No, you should not leave me. No, I'm not seeing anything, because you both found your partners, at least where you feel that yes, I want you beginning with this person, kind of thing. You can always rewrite the story. Who is you are watching? Who you are watching, because you are feeling like a villain. This person is villain. No, that's why I'm telling you, it is a miscommunication. Not miscommunication gap, more than miscommunication, because no one is talking to. Don't worry, whomever watching, you are going to get new beginning with Three of Cups. There may be some people in your life who is like a friends, group of friends, you are going to get new beginning, because you are the one who is feeling that this person is a villain, not leaving me, they are keeping me stuck in this Eight of Swords. No, you are free. That person already left you. They are not informing you. The reason I will tell you why they are not informing, because they are listening to their intuition, so they don't know that where their intuition is leading them. That is the reason they are not telling you. If at all they decide something, yes, I want to go somewhere, they will tell that, see, I am going to this location, I am going to this country, I am going to this state, I am going to this person. As of now, they just now started to listen to their intuition. So wherever their intuition is guiding, they are going. So they also don't know where their intuition is going to lead them. Right? That is also one reason they are not telling you that I am going somewhere. Other than that, I am not seeing that this person have any intention to keep you stuck. Somewhere you are feeling that this person is a villain, Anita, they are not leaving me. That is the reason I am feeling stuck in this marriage. You are not stuck. You are free. You can walk away. You can fly. It is not stuck. I think in the past I said one story which is like, if you tie cow, we will tie the animals because they will walk away. Okay. If we bring one animal to our home, if we don't want to lose that animal, we will tie that animal, okay, to one tree or something. so that when they try to walk away, they cannot, because they know that they tied to something. They will try, they will try, they will try. After some time, we will leave it. The tie will be there, whatever we put to the neck, around the neck. But they are free. We did not tie them with that particular thing, whichever we used to tie, because we know that it is not going to go anywhere. The reason, in that animal's mind, still it feels that I'm tied down to something. So if at all I go, I cannot, because I tried a lot in the past. It is not going to work out. You are in that situation. Maybe in the past you tried to walk away from the situation, you felt in that way. Now also you are feeling that, no, Anita, if at all I walk away, again I am unable to do that. No, you are free. You are completely free. Okay? I am not saying this person literally have some motive intentions to keep you stuck. No. Other than that, this person started to listen to their intuition. They also don't know where they are going to end up. That is the reason why they are not telling you. And if at all when it comes to you, you are free. You can go. That's why I said that story. You are not an animal. We are not animals. We are human beings. Right? Thank you for that.